Hello everyone, myself Hemlata Bath, welcome you again here. This is the third video of our lesson describing words, lesson 4. The second video was ended here and today we would start from here. So here you can see some pictures and some words are written. Some words are also written in red in color. They are red in color and they are telling us that they are opposite words, opposite describing words. So most describing words have their opposite forms, opposite words. And you also know it: fat, thin, tall, short, old, young. So these all red letters words have their opposite forms. A fat boy, a thin boy. A tall girl, a short girl. An old man, a young man. So fat, thin, tall, short, old, young. They are describing words and they have opposite forms also. Okay, you have to learn the every opposite words of describing words from your book. Okay, whether they belong to the exercise or not, you have to learn the all opposite words: fat, thin, tall, short, old, young. And these words also telling us more about our naming words. Boy is a naming word, girl is a naming word, man is a naming word, but we have changed using some opposite words: old, young, tall, short, fat, thin. Next, move to the second 26 page. The opposite of big is small. Big means very large, big, and small means very little in size, small. So big and small both are describing words and they are telling us about naming words. Big is elephant, small is mouse, okay, or rat. So big and small are opposite describing words to one another. Big, small. Here we have some lists of describing words that have opposite words and you all have to learn this very carefully. Good, bad, big, small, cool, warm, blunt, sharp, hot, cold, easy, difficult, empty, full, fast, slow, hard, soft, light, dark. It would be a very interesting game for all of you if you learn these opposite words in a playful manner. It's very easiest. It is not a tough work. Okay, so start learning. Match these describing words with their opposites. We have to match the describing words with their opposites. Cheap. Cheap means very low price and costly means a huge price. In, out, open, close, cool, warm, right, wrong. In this way we would solve this exercise also. We have describing words and we have to choose the opposite words for the describing words. Both columns have describing words but they are opposite to one another. I may ask you, what is the opposite word for wrong? Then you will write right. Opposite of white, you will write black. Opposite of strong, you will write weak. So I may change these columns also. Come to the page 27. Here we have some describing words written in brackets and we have to replace them with their opposites. Okay, the Qutub Minar is a dash building. Short is given here but Qutub Minar is not short. The opposite word is tall for short, so here would be tall. He is carrying a dash bag, so bag could be heavy and light, so light is here and the opposite for light is heavy. Next, come to an elephant is a dash animal, small. What do you think? An elephant is a small animal? No. We know that the opposite word for small is big. So big animal. She is cutting fruits with a dash knife. Blunt. Blunt means not sharp. Knife should be sharp when we cut something using it. So opposite for blunt is sharp. Sharp knife. So these all words are describing words and we have replaced them with their opposites, isn't it? Light, heavy, blunt, sharp. Even her bag is full of dash mangoes. Raw. Raw means green mangoes. So the opposite for raw is ripe. Means yellow mango, juicy mangoes. Ripe. R-I-P-E. And describing words tell us more about our naming words and they should be placed before our naming words. Just before. Now we have to solve one also exercise, another exercise, down, across. Okay. In the next page we have some boxes drawn and we have to place the opposite words following the rules of down and across. So I would show you what are downs and what are across. What is down and what is across. First, I have solved only 4 for you. The opposite words: new, old, stop, start, off, on, tall, short. And most opposite words you will get from your book only. Okay. Next, come to the last page. And page number 28. This is the last page of this lesson. Here we have so many opposite words and some blanks also. We have to put the correct letters to make the opposite words for these words. Okay. So what do down and across mean? Down means top to bottom, this way. Okay. And across means left to right, this way. So across means left to right and down means top to bottom. We have this one top to bottom, this is down, and across means this, these. Okay, this is across and down means this way. And we have some number written here also, some numbers you can see. So I would place some words using the numbers. Number 1, new. But we will not write new, we will write old. We have to replace using old. Okay. Number 1, old. This is for down. So we have to find out the down. Number 1. Down means top to bottom, top to bottom. Number 1 is here. And top to bottom means this is down. O-L-D, old. Next we would try number 2, across, tall, short. We have to put short across number 2. Across means left to right. So 2 number is here, that is mean this is for across. And S, R, these 2 letters are already present here. We have to put the other letters, S, H, O, R, T, short. So across means this, down means this way. Okay. In this way you will solve this rest of this part. I hope you have liked and enjoyed my video class. Thank you.